Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you WhatsApp most important settings for all WhatsApp users. So guys, go to your WhatsApp. Now tap on the three dot icon. Tap on settings. Now tap on privacy. Tap on groups. And you have to select one of three options like everyone, my contacts, and my contacts except. My contacts means only users you have in your address book can add you to groups. And my contacts except provides additional control for who among your contacts and add you to a group. This option allows users to exclude specific contacts or select all. And this update is rolling out to users around the world, the latest version of WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.